welcome to my vlog. Getting right into this video because I have to rush a little bit. I'm getting ready to go to the city with my boyfriend, do a little bit of shopping, and in this evening we are going to the cinema to watch the Avatar movie. And I'm very excited for all of this because I also want to do some chores before we leave. Like I want to clean a little bit because I will feel a lot better coming home to a clean house. And I'm not gonna lie, I know usually New Year's is when everybody is trying to clean up to make sure to be able to welcome the new year in a clean house. But over the holidays there was so much going on, we met so many people, we just didn't have the time to clean at all. Anyways, I really hope I will be able to clean up the house a little bit before we have to leave today. But since I'm scared that it will take me a while and that I won't have the time to get ready anymore, I'm getting ready first. Even though I usually don't like doing this, I don't know if it's just me, but it feels wrong to clean the house when I have makeup on. I feel like all the dirt and dust that I'm wiping away gets stuck on my face. I'm just doing really basic makeup today. Okay, I'm gonna get ready and get back to you. That's the look right now. It's just my basic makeup look, nothing special. I did use a different lip color today just because I didn't have my normal lip products here and I just stuck with whatever I had in my little makeup bag right now. Okay, so I did just get ready. As you can probably tell by the background, we have to clean the room right now. I can only clean this room because my boyfriend's little brother is still here to visit and I don't want to interrupt him in the living room, so I'm just gonna clean this right now. Milo is here snacking his little snacks. Honestly, having a dog is like having a baby. His toys are everywhere. First thing I will have to clean is this chair. Also, I'm living together with my boyfriend, so everything white you see is my aesthetic, everything black you see is his aesthetic, and it's colliding. I'm convinced everybody has a chair where they stack all the clothes on. Stay in the middle, like you a little. I need to do some work now. This usually is not my working space. I have a much nicer one in the living room, but as I said before, my boyfriend's brother is there right now, so I will have to sit here and do my stuff here, which is fine. I will have to go for a walk with Milo now, and I don't think I will bring my camera for this because, I don't know, it feels a little risky. But maybe I will be able to film some snippets. You know what I mean. Maybe I will be able to film some clips on my phone. Decided to post a TikTok before I leave because I'm scared I will forget it later. Okay, so you will see me next when I'm back again. I'm back at home and I'm sitting on the floor because we need to brush Milo. Okay, I just got dressed. I'm a little scared I might regret this outfit later because it's pretty hot. I don't know why it is so warm in Germany right now, but we will go with this. going to switch into more chill clothing for now because we still have to cook and eat something, and then I will have to change clothes again for the cinema. So I took a break because I was tired and I was kind of scared I would fall asleep in the movie. So well, anyways, now I'm back and I'm doing my makeup. I'm not doing anything like too crazy for the movie, but I want to do a little bit of a blue eyeshadow for the vibes, you know? This is what we have right now. I'm trying to add some gems right now. Ja. Mach mich fertig.
Was?
Mach mich fertig. Hi, so I'm back home and I look terrible. It's currently almost 2 a.m. I sadly didn't get to vlog a lot inside the cinema because we were already running late when I was getting ready, and I didn't want to like pull out my phone in the cinema, and we were kind of stressed because we still wanted to get popcorn. Yeah. Anyways, I'm back home right now. Edited the get ready with me videos for TikTok, for my German account and my English account, and we are going to go to sleep now. Good night. Hey guys, it's the next day. We are in the living room right now and I need to do some work and uni related stuff. I actually wanted to study in my boyfriend's restaurant today, but I ran out of battery on my MacBook and my iPad. So now I'm back at home and yeah, I will definitely need to do my stuff today. Because the holidays are ending soon, I cannot waste any more time, sadly. Yeah, I need to do my stuff. Okay, so I know you already saw me trying on the stuff in the H&M, but I still want to show you everything I got right here. I'm gonna be honest with you, I got everything I tried on. And it is in fact a huge ass bag, which I didn't expect, but here we are. So the first thing I got is this beautiful, I don't know, like jacket, I think. It is super cute. I feel like it's a perfect mixture between cute and cool, and it's kind of giving me Chanel vibes. I don't know, I love it. My boyfriend loved it too, so I had to get it. Next thing is this sweatshirt. Okay, listen, I've been looking at this for a couple of times and I was never sure, like, is it cute or is it like a typical H&M sweater? But I've absolutely fallen in love with the rhinestones, even though I know they will probably disappear if I wash them too often, but it's okay. But it was on sale now and I just love it as like an oversized sweatshirt. I think it's really cute. Then I got this pink set, which you already saw me trying on as well. Honestly, I think just the pink hoodie for itself is really cute. I'm gonna wear this a lot. And also like the sweatpants for dancing maybe. Some of you might know I'm a dancer and maybe I will wear them for dancing. However, I have one specific reason why I got this and I have it in my head and I couldn't get it out, and that's why I ended up getting it. My boyfriend and I are planning to go to Vietnam this year. He is from Vietnam. I've never been there before, so I definitely want to see it. And I don't know, I just see myself on the flight in all pink because that's so cute. I'm already so hyped about this trip. We don't know when exactly we are going to finally be able to do this, but hopefully this year. And yes. Last but not least is this glitter sweater dress. Just look at it. Honestly, I've been looking at it quite a couple of times during the Christmas season, but I didn't want to get it for the original price because it was a little too pricey for me, in my opinion. But it was on sale now. I love it. I think it's so cute with like boots, and I love everything sparkle and pink and also black and white, but whatever. I've been thinking about it a couple of times and now I got it. Okay, I think this is the end of the video. I will spend the rest of the day editing this video and I hope I can upload it very soon. This was my first vlog with this camera and I'm so excited. Uni is going to start soon and hopefully I will be able to vlog a lot in uni so I can show you guys my uni experience in 4K now. Thank you guys for watching. Maybe leave me a thumbs up or subscribe if you haven't yet. Maybe check out my other socials as well and see you soon. Bye!